If you have staining on exterior surfaces that's caused by mold, mildew, algae, or any other organic material, don't worry, I'm going to help you fix it in 15 minutes. Now, one of the best ways to do cleanup outside is with a pressure washer. These are machines that you can either purchase or rent, but some of us don't want to use that kind of equipment. There are cleaners like these here that are non-caustic, don't have any bleach, and do a terrific job at cleaning up exterior surfaces. You can use them on almost anything, stone, canvas, brickwork. All you have to do is follow the manufacturer's instructions on how to mix it and use a pump sprayer like this. Now, the material that I put in here is 1 part cleaner, 5 parts water. You want to make sure that if there's any vegetation around the area that you're going to spray, that you wet it down first. Then take your pump sprayer, pump it up, and then go ahead and spray it. You want to get this nice and wet, and this cleaner, along with the rain and the elements outside, over time will actually take all that organic material that's growing and discoloring the surface, and it will wash away. There's no scrubbing necessary. Now remember, you got to wear safety glasses, rubber gloves, and for vegetation around the area where you're going to be spraying, you want to spray that down with water first. But you spray it, let Mother Nature help, and before you know it, everything looks great. Now you want to make sure that you do this on a day that's going to be dry. You don't want it to rain right after you apply it. And you may have to repeat this step in 6 months, but pretty soon you're going to see these surfaces start to clean up. That's it. You fixed it in 15 minutes.